Then class, which congratulations. Hello, Snowy. Hello. Now, let's start. The first I show how to create the character of Italy. Actually, it is not portrait. I more focus the characterization. The what is the how what the features are changing for hi Chunai. Welcome. Come. Yeah, sitting down. Now also you done? Today morning I feel that I am like a old person. You can go. You're so fast, run. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just searching some character of Italy. Okay, so how looks the Italian character face? Okay, uh, Italian. Hello. Okay, so first mask the face circle. It is Italian face view, side view. Italians are very artistic, all those art studios mostly from the Italy. So I create some interesting character of Italy. Okay, with big beard, big wolf face, Italian man. Yes, Italian man. Maximum I do the woman also. So here I create this Italian strong young man image of sad. Yes, very nice. Circle is done. Just a minute. We are researching this best Italian character. Lionel Messi is Italian, isn't it? Great. Yeah, I got it. Side view portrait modern young white. So after the circle, make the circle first. Yeah. You must make sure your circle should be very clear and should be perfect.
Sir, you're doing side profile again?
Yeah, it's all characters a maximum. If you draw the side profile, then you can more recognize the nose and eyes, these things. Uh, we are focusing that what is changes of character of all different country, but basically nose that changes and as well
Sir, sir,
eyes.
is it okay if I draw like a traditional African small girl, like a child?
Traditional African small girls you can draw.
Yeah, like
Important.
the tradition, all the jewelry, the
Yeah,
clothes.
why African? You can go this others. आजा फिर अच्छे आजा
No, sir, I'm telling like a
yeah
small girl.
right go so now done that much so you can go ahead after that uh they say this yes Prashista. Oh nice please show beta. Oh you did watercolor. Oh very nice Prashista. It's amazing, it's very nice. Italian, Egyptian. Okay, the next tips we are going to that much is done. Okay. So now after that, here the straight line, making the straight line, and you can draw here the one straight line. Okay, Snowy, understood? Yeah, here, here, and here. You can do this three things. Okay, like this, the straight line. Okay, how to draw the typical Italian character. I share you the nose and eyes. Basically, it's little different. Okay. Studio Circle Museum. Okay. Done that much? Yeah. Fine. So now this area is the eyes. This is area for the eyes. Okay. And right. So and we can go ahead to the nose part. Here.
So here in the character sketch level.
Yes, correct. So this is nose line. So here this is the eyes line, this is the forehead line, and this is the nose line. Okay, in this circle. And now the same height. I'll take the same height for here. Okay, you just take this another one line over here. Okay, and now after that you join this line. Okay, simple from this line, and from this line your basically this head starts like this. Hello. You not got link? Okay. Just a second. Yeah, it is Annapurna, right? Isn't it? Yeah, just a second. I just try to add this 5 minutes now. Take 5 minutes. I just add it. Wait 2 minutes. I add you. Okay, beta? 5 minutes. Wait. Yeah. So just add the nose. Here is the ear. Okay. First the basic shapes is done. Yes. Yeah, like this. It's fun. Perfectly correct. Precious stuff. It's actually class.
Is यहाँ से ऐसे the ऐसे
हाँ. Yes. That's it. Need to line next line के draw करना और एक line ऐसे draw करना. Same heights लेके ना और एक line के ऐसे draw करना. तो draw कर. Need to line इससे ओके आ जाएगा.
तो यहाँ से भी करना यहाँ से
Okay. Yes. Sorry, precious. Okay, so now after that we are going to add
लगती ना मैं क्लास में चल मिलेगा
here the nose line pushes down.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
आपको एक लाइन का ओरिजिनल एंट्रो करनी है
कौन सी? हाँ, यहाँ से, यहाँ से। ये जो लाइन है ना, हाँ, एक लाइन है ना, और this small line, yeah, Iceland does it. Yeah, this line. आराम से, this is line. By the student. By student, just done that much? Change. This. Now, after that, I just draw here. So from this forehead line, from here, see from here, the forehead. Okay, step by step we are going to go ahead. It's the forehead, and here you can draw the nose. So see, this is the eyes line. Okay, so you can draw the eyes line over here. Here only, inspired of me, a master of Italian filmmakers. Done that much. First forehead, make the forehead nicely, and after that, we are going to create nose. Okay. Then the parallel.
आपके हाथ से चिपका
Okay, मैं थोड़ा सा डाउन हाँ थोड़ा सा उस साइड पे जाओ देख सकते हो ओके मैं लॉन्ग पेंसिल सो हियर
आईलाइन के पास ये कर्व है
yeah eyeline का पास curve है right so here this is the eyes line this area okay you can create the like this
सर मेरे को एग्जाम भी देना था ड्राइंग
yes perfect eh, perfect yes precious now done that much fold them. Okay. Brushes are done. So here you can draw the eyes like this. See, I draw very yeah. Hello. Yeah, please join. I can send the yeah I send the link. Please join. Just check the link. I send it. Class already started. See the nose like this. Okay. Here. Okay, like this. Make it. The nose is very. This is the Germany. This is the Italian character. The Italian character's nose is very straight and this. So why I share this all countries different character. So you can recognize the it's not look same all of same face. Why this American face is different, Indian face is different. So why actually exactly different. So it goes up and goes down like this. Italian character. Okay. So we are focused on this. Very nice drawing. Perfect. Yeah, good going on.
ये last line थी।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा सा डाउन होगा वही दिखाने के लिए. This is comes like
Nose straight होना है sir।
oh perfectly. So ये when I create the character, so here I can make this to line one. Taki प्रशस्ता, understood beta? Understood beta? Yes, very nice. Annapurna, beta, what's the good name? I forgot. Annapurna. Annapurna, are my voice? Is audible? So see here, I can create that small, the American character, an Italian character. The leaf is very small, like this, that much only. As well, if you see the American, the African character leaf is so bigger. That is the leaf part is so bigger. But
ये हमने कब बोला?
Italian, ये सब मैंने कल का अलग अलग क्लासेस जो होता है उसमें सब मतलब
Actually सारे।
मतलब सारी क्लासेस का हाँ ये
मैं लॉन्च हो गई सर। मैं that you launch।
हाँ बहुत जल्द
Freelancing कर रही हूँ।
बहुत जल्दी तुम बाइजूस में ज्वाइन कर जाओगे तब तो.
हाँ, so बायजूस में
हाँ.
MNC में अपनी जिंदगी में स्टार्टअप में तो मैं कल भी मैं रात को काम कर रही थी, आज भी मैं काम कर रही
स्टार्टअप इसलिए तुम काम कर रहे हो बाइजूस में उतना प्रेशर नहीं है. Leaves beta, leaves, yeah, leaves like this. See, I just draw like 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, it's very simple. Rida, understood beta? Very simple.
Yes.
Hmm? Just like this. Like this. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. Yes. 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 And down part also 1, 2. 1, 2.
मुझे डाउन भी है क्या?
हाँ.
मैंने तो डिवाइड कर दिया उसको टाइम।
अच्छा. See, upper part like I said, 1, 2, 3, and lower part 1, 2. So here. Okay, understood now lips part, Italian character lips parts. This very especially Italian characters are very sharing. Understood sharing? Understood beta? Kavya?